Students, in this video today I'll discuss about solute, solvent and solution and types of solutions. So first you have to know what is a solvent, what is a solute and what is a solution. A solvent is a liquid substance. Generally it is a liquid substance in which you can dissolve other substances. Like water, you can dissolve other substances in water. So water is a solvent. Okay. So a solvent is a substance, usually a liquid, in which other substance dissolves. Okay, example of solvent: water, alcohol. Now see what is solute. Solute is a substance that dissolves in a solvent. Solute is the substance that dissolves in a solvent. For example, you are dissolving some sugar in water to make a solution. So in this case, sugar act as solute and water act as solvent. Okay, sugar in water. So sugar is solute, water is solvent. Another example, salt in water. You are dissolving some salt in water. Then water act as solvent and salt is solute. Okay. Now see what is solution. Solution means solvent plus solute. Okay, so a solution is a homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture of solvent and solute. So a solution is a homogeneous mixture of a solvent and solute. For example, if you dissolve some sugar in water, then you will get a sugar water solution. Okay, it is a homogeneous mixture. Here it is showing figure 4.2, formation of solution, sugar water solution, sugar plus water and sugar water solution. Okay, example of, so in sugar water solution, water act as solvent, sugar act as solute. Okay, now here see some examples of some solvents are given. Water, common example of some solvents, common solvents like water, alcohol, acetone, carbon tetrachloride. These are some common solvents. Okay, and water is most important solvent. Water is capable of dissolving most of the solids. Water is capable of dissolving most of the solids, liquid and gases. That is why water is called universal solvent. So question is, why water is known as universal solvent? This is because water is capable of dissolving most of the solids, liquid and gases. Okay, now see types of solution. I have told solution is a homogeneous mixture of solvent and solute. Now see types of solution. Solution are three types. On the basis of amount of solute that can be dissolved in a solvent, on the basis of amount of solute that can be dissolved in a solvent, solutions are three types. First one is unsaturated solution, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. So first is unsaturated solution. What is unsaturated solution? Unsaturated solution is a solution in which still more solute can be dissolved. Still more solute can be dissolved in an unsaturated solution. Okay, at a specific temperature. So unsaturated solution is a solution in which still more solute can be dissolved at a specific temperature. Saturated solution. What is saturated solution? Saturated solution is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved, in which no more solute can be dissolved at a specific temperature. Okay, a saturated solution is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a specific temperature. And supersaturated solution, what is a supersaturated solution? It is a solution in that contains more solute that could be dissolved at a specific temperature, Okay, so supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more solute than could be dissolved at a specific temperature. Okay, so these are three types of solution: saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. Now see solubility. This term is related to solute. Solubility means this is the uh, solubility. This term related to solute actually. So solubility is the property of a particular solute to dissolve in a particular solvent. It is a property of a solute to dissolve in a particular amount of particular solvent, and it is measured as the amount of solute that dissolve in a given quantity of solvent at a given temperature to form saturated solution. Okay, so what is the definition of solubility? It is the amount of solute that dissolves in a given quantity of solvent at a given temperature to form a saturated solution. Okay, suppose 20 gram salt is dissolved in 100 gram water to form a saturated solution at a specific temperature. Then 20 is the solubility of salt, or 20 is the solubility of salt. Okay, 20 gram salt is dissolved in water to form a saturated solution. Okay, then 20 is the solubility of salt. Okay, so solubility means it is the amount of solute that dissolve in a given amount or given quantity of solvent at a given temperature to form a saturated solution. And different solutes have different solubility in a solvent. Different solubility of salt is different from solubility of sugar. Okay, different solutes have different solubility in a particular solvent. Now see, next topic is which factors can affect the formation of solution. Factors that can affect the formation of solution. There are three factors mainly: stirring, increase in temperature, and particle size. Three factors that can affect the formation of solution: stirring, increase in temperature, and particle size. Stirring, first one is stirring. The rate of formation of solution can be increased by stirring the solution. The rate of formation of solution can be increased by stirring the solution. Second factor is increase in temperature. Heating increases the rate of formation of solution. Heating, that is increase in temperature, increases the rate of formation of solution. Okay. And particle size, the smaller the size of particle, smaller the size of solid particle, faster is the rate of formation of solution. Okay, the smaller the size of solid particle, smaller the size of solid particle, the faster is the rate of formation of the solution. That is why powdered sugar dissolve faster in water than sugar crystal. Smaller the size, faster is the rate of formation. Okay, so these are three main factors that can affect the rate of formation of solution. Okay. Next topic is water pollution. What is water pollution? Okay, contaminated water. Huh. The contamination of water with unwanted substances that cause harmful effect in living and non-living things is called water pollution. It is the contamination of water with unwanted substances, and these unwanted substances are known as water pollutant. Okay, that is, water pollution means impure water. Ah. So contamination of water with unwanted substances that cause harmful effect in living and in living and non-living things is called water pollution. Okay, and these harmful substances, these unwanted substances are known as water pollutant. Okay, so substances that cause pollution are called pollutant. There are different types of water pollutants like domestic waste, industrial waste, chemicals, detergent, grease, oil spill, agricultural waste. All these are some examples of water pollutant. Okay, and these water pollutant add colors, foul smell, and bad taste to water. These water pollutant add colors, colors, foul smell, and bad taste to water. Okay, so contaminated water or polluted water has this property, that is, what contaminated water is colored. Contaminated water has some smell, bad smell, foul smell, and bad taste. Okay, now see, different type of I have already told different types of water pollutants. Here it is again given: agricultural waste, industrial waste. Agricultural waste like fertilizer, pesticide that are used in farm to control insect and pest. These are agricultural waste, and and this agricultural waste product can pollute water. Okay, industrial waste like different chemical waste that are released from factories. and these chemicals are very harmful and may even kill aquatic animals and plant. Domestic waste products like household waste from household in the form of sewage. Okay, if domestic waste are released into water bodies untreated or improperly treated, they can affect aquatic organism and also contaminate the groundwater. Oil spill, very important cause of water pollution. Oil spill. What are oil spills? Oil spills are accidental leakage of oil from oil tanker. Oil spills are accidental leakage of oil from oil tanker in a sea or an ocean. Okay, oil spills are accidental leakage of oil from oil tanker in a sea or an ocean, and these oils may pollute water and serious damage to marine animals and plants. Okay, and one more cause, thermal water pollution. Okay, when hot water is mixed with normal water, then water will be polluted. Okay, so degradation, thermal water pollution, is the degradation of quality of water. Thermal water pollution is the degradation of quality of water by the addition of hot water. Thermal water pollution is the degradation of quality of water by addition of hot water, which increases the water temperature and makes it unfit to support life. Okay, so water is used as a coolant in power plants and industrial manufacturing units. When this hot water is released into water bodies, it causes thermal water pollution. Okay, and thermal water pollution adversely affect aquatic organisms. So these are some cause of water pollution. Okay, these are some cause of water pollution. For now, see, drinking contaminated water or polluted water, drinking contaminated water or polluted water may lead to different waterborne diseases, like waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, gastroenteritis, dysentery, typhoid, jaundice. These are some waterborne diseases. Okay, you have to read about this waterborne disease. You have to remember name of two or three waterborne disease. So first one is diarrhea. It is a disease where there is a loss of water and mineral from the body through frequent loose or liquid stool, and it may lead to dehydration. Diarrhea may be acute or chronic. Two type of diarrhea is there. One is acute diarrhea, another is chronic diarrhea. Acute diarrhea, in acute diarrhea, the person suffers for a short duration in acute diarrhea and gets better. In chronic diarrhea, chronic diarrhea, the person suffer for a long time and become very weak. Second type of waterborne disease is gastroenteritis. It is a waterborne disease, gastroenteritis, in which stomach and the small intestine get inflated, and the reason for the inflammation may be toxin produced by certain viruses, bacteria, and other parasites. And the disease causes acute diarrhea, in which a person suffers from vomiting and loose motions, and there is little or no urination. Third waterborne disease is jaundice. It is a waterborne disease that affects the liver. Jaundice, it is a waterborne disease that affects liver. Okay, and can prove fatal or if not treated in time. Okay, so these are some waterborne disease. So I have told what is water pollution, cause of water pollution, and name of some water pollution, name of some waterborne disease. Okay, now you have to know how to reduce the water pollution. How to reduce the water pollution? So prevention or reduction of water pollution. Uh, Prevention of water pollution. So water pollution can be prevented or reduced by different ways. Here some ways are given. You have to remember one or two method of reduction of water pollution. So first one is treating toxic domestic or industrial waste. treating toxic domestic or industrial waste before releasing them into water bodies in effluent treatment plant. It is one type of modern technique. uh, so treatment of domestic or industrial waste before releasing them into water bodies in effluent treatment plant to remove harmful chemicals. Second one is maintaining a septic system. It is a septic system in figure 4.14. You can see this is the septic system. So maintaining a septic system to avoid leakage and resulting contamination of groundwater. Okay, so maintaining a septic system, you can reduce water pollution. Okay, or treating domestic or industrial waste before releasing them into water bodies in effluent treatment plant. Okay, to remove harmful chemicals. And next method is avoiding use of excessive fertilizer pesticide, because excessive use of fertilizer and pesticide give rise to eutrophication. Okay, excessive, you have to avoid use of excessive fertilizer and pesticide, because excessive use of fertilizer and pesticide give rise to eutrophication. Okay, what is eutrophication? Eutrophication is a process in which water become overly rich in nutrients. Eutrophication is a process in which water become overly rich in nutrients. As a result, there is a excessive growth of underwater green plants which consumes most of the dissolved oxygen in water, and this condition of low oxygen in water is known as hypoxia. Hypoxia is the consequence of eutrophication. Okay, so this condition of low oxygen in water is known as hypoxia, may lead to death of other aquatic animals. Okay, so yeah, excessive use of fertilizer should be avoided. Okay, fertilizer and pesticide, and and use of fertilizer or pesticide should be replaced with organic manures and compost, and avoiding washing and cleaning of clothes and utensil or near water bodies, and avoiding open defecation. Okay, so and last method is educating the public on the benefits of using eco-friendly products. These are some method of controlling or reduction of water pollution. And last is strict enforcement of pollution control rules laid by laid down by government. Okay, water World Water Day, 22nd March. Remember that, World Water Day. Okay, and last topic of this chapter is conservation of water. How to conserve water? Huh? How to conserve water? Okay, so water is a precious resource that should not be wasted but be conserved. This can be done in various way. First one, conservation of water technique. First one, avoiding over watering of garden and flower pots. Avoiding over watering of garden and flower pots. Second method is preventing water leakage from taps. Preventing water leakage from taps and pipes. And third, planting more trees, which is known as afforestation. Afforestation means planting more trees. Okay, and preventing cutting of tree. Cutting of trees means deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, cutting of tree, as rainfall is affected by forest cover. Okay, so planting more trees and preventing cutting of trees. And next method of water conservation is harvesting rainwater. Rainwater harvesting, here it is showing in figure 4.15. You can see harvesting, how to harvest water, rainwater. Okay, and next method is using collected rainwater, collecting and storing rainwater for watering plants and other cleaning works, and minimizing the wastage of water while brushing teeth and washing utensils. Okay, so these are some methods of reduction of these are some method of conservation of water. Okay, so So water pollution is very important topic. What is water pollution, what are the bad effects of water pollution, and what are the causes of water pollution, and how to reduce or how to control water pollution, everything I have told. Okay, and how to conserve water also, you have to remember the methods. Okay, thank you student, and this chapter is completed.